Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to kind of go over and show you some of the hiccups you may have while you're square belling out in the field, especially with missed ties and knots getting hung on the bill hook. So I just wanted to bring you along, let you see what I have to deal with. Hope you enjoy. Hope it helps some of y'all out. Not tying good, getting hung up on the bill hook. So we got about 2 or 3 that we'll have to come back and redo later. So we got to get these strings out, and we got to get the pliers out and get that off the bill hook where we can keep tying. Sometimes they get hung up. That's just part of it. Part of hay equipment, especially when you're dealing with older stuff. I know I got some pliers in here somewhere, I thought. Yep. Get over here and try to get this knot off the bill hook where we can keep rocking and rolling. But that first row spit out 20 bells. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this one, and then probably 2 or 3 that's dumped out right here. I'm seeing some string I need to go ahead and pick up. Oh, the fun. Makes y'all want to come out and bell some, don't it? So, I don't see any string in this. There's some string in this. Go ahead and get this picked up. We ain't got to worry about it later. Yep, that'll all get rebuilt. No biggie. Got about another 7 more windrows to go. Yeah. Fun. I wanted to show y'all what all it entails whenever you have a breakdown / knot on your bill hook that won't come off. And like I say, this winter we're going to go through everything. I know it's hard, you probably can't see much in there, but I'm going to take these pliers and whittle at that sisal. See if I can't get this off of here. It just takes a little finesse. That sweep arm doesn't come over and helps get that off of there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's kind of tight quarters in here. We're slowly getting it though. Trying to walk it off of there. It is tight on here this time. I may have to break out an old knife and try to whittle it, but most of the time with this crappy twine that I got and these pliers, this sisal breaks pretty good. Alright, see if we can get it pulled out. Maybe. So that's what got wrapped up on the, I know my finger's in the way, sorry about that. That's what got wrapped up on the bill hook. And that's okay. No problem. We're just gonna try to get it on out of here. Get this excess string on out. Just like that. This one tied good, but it's gonna pop off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rip that one on off, pull that one out, and now we're about ready to try it again here in a minute. Let me get rid of this excess string. Alright. Pile of hay right here. Now I was looking on here, I've got a few little strands that I want to pull out of that bill hook. See that right there? Y'all can see that or not. Alright, so bill hook's clean. That one's clean. Gonna put our pliers up. We're gonna see if we can get us another bale. Isn't this fun, y'all? Wow. All right. PTO on. Maybe. There we go. Let's see if we can get a bale. This row right here that we just came down, you've seen we had several misties because they got hung up on a bill hook. It spit out two good ones here. Next one's tied. Next one's tied. Looks like it's on the bill hook like it's supposed to be. That one almost got hung. So there we go. Now I still ain't had time to drill out and fix that PTO couple, so it's wanting to slide off PTO shaft. And we're going to hammer time it back in place. Alright, this is going to take two hands. Hang on just a second. Voila, we got it back. Y'all must think, man, that's simple to go out there and bale. No, there's always something, I promise you. Something all the time. I should have enough twine left for all of them. Alright. I'll bring it back in if I have any more complications. I know it was just a short video, but I wanted to show you kind of what it entails on some of the little hiccups you may have when you're square baling. I still got to drill this hole out and put a bolt or something in, or get one of them pins. That every once in a while wants to walk off. I did not shear a bolt this time, which was good, but I got looking, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but that bolt moves. There's a gap in there. I got to tighten that back up for next time I use it. It needs a greasing again for next time I use it. You know, it got hung up on the bill hook on that one, but that was the only time it done it. I went back through and rebuilt all of them, and it pretty much worked great the rest of the time. I probably will have to get some more twine, or just use some twine out of that 315 baler. I got one more field plus another little field to do before hopefully first frost. So overall,
everything's looking good. My chain for my pickup is a little loose, so I'm going to have to tighten that back up before the next time. But I just wanted to go over and show you kind of what all entailed whenever a little breakdown happens in the field. Nothing major, just, you know, missed ties. And then I always go about 3 times. If it doesn't start retying itself after about the 3rd time, I'll stop, get off, see what's going on. My forward brake shoes or brake pads, they're working great. I wasn't going to spend $80-something. Y'all seen that video. If you go back in that video and watch us redoing this, I wasn't going to spend $80 a pad. Take some used pads and drill them out, make them work. If y'all want to see how that works, there's you an idea. But anyway, kind of just wanted to go over, show you. It done great. I'll tell you what, I picked this baler up from that feller up in Alabama. He cut me a heck of a deal because I had to buy a bunch of stuff to even get it to the house. Mainly that tire and some other stuff. He sold it to me for $100. $100 now. I'm right proud of it. Mr. Patrick, appreciate you, buddy. Ford 3000 doing great. It's got its few hiccups here and there, but you know what? It's an old tractor. That happens. And I want to kind of show you what I'll be getting into possibly in the next video or the next couple of videos. Yeah, our bearings went bad on our hay cutter. We had some bearing failures. So yeah, there's supposed to be a big pulley right here, well, that thing right there, and it's been torn apart. So I can get everything back together. I actually got the bearings in it. I just got to put it all back together. Got to have time to do that. There's something around here all the time, people. But anyway, but as always, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all make sure you like, share, and subscribe. This is just going to be like a small little short video, midweek type thing. Let you know what I'm doing. Just having fun, documenting stuff as we go. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Take care. See you in the next one.